Baby, I ain't gonna lie, she shocked me. I thought I was gonna be up in here looking like grandmama. Instead, I'm looking like who grandma that is. Hey folks, welcome to Who's That Girl? It's Vageline here, your favorite wig influencer. In today's video, we are going to be showcasing this wig from Outre Melted Hairline, and her name is Ciana. Before we get into this video, folks, if you happen to watch this all the way to the end and you like what you see, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And of course, hit that notification bell so every time I upload a video, you will go ahead and get notified. All right, folks, let's go ahead and get into Miss Thing's details. So Miss Ciana from this Melted Hairline Collection, she has a soft HD lace 5-inch deep parting space, completely pre-plucked hairline, a pre-attached wide elastic band for security fit. She is fast, easy, and effortless glueless install, natural baby hairs, and of course, comfort fit ear-to-ear contour. Now, she comes in a bunch of different colors like ginger brown, dark chocolate swirl, and California blonde. But the color that I got today is actually the ginger brown in the 12, and she's 12 inches. Okay, so this is what Ciana is looking like straight out the box. I actually love the curl pattern on her. It's super cute. Now she has the 2 combs on the side, the one on the back, adjustable elastic band, as well as the pre-attached elastic band for extra secure glueless look. Now fresh out the box, I'm not gonna lie, she shocked the hell out of me. Miss Thing was giving some looks. I'm not gonna lie, I was very shocked about this wig. I'll trade whoever's in that factory, y'all know what y'all doing. Okay, so at this point, what I'm going to do is I'm gonna stop talking and go about getting this wig all the way together. So watch this video all the way to the end so you can get my opinion on Miss Thing. Alright folks, let's put her all the way together. So now let's get into my thought process of Miss Ciana. First of all, she is definitely big head friendly. Her lace comes ear to ear, as you can already see when I was putting her together. She did not tangle. She did not shed. Her curl pattern is amazing. This color blend, chef's kiss. Okay. And she's the perfect summer bob wig. Like, you cannot go wrong with this wig. She is super duper cute. I got this wig from samsbeauty.com and I paid under $30 for her. So would I buy her again? I wouldn't even hesitate. I would love to see what she looks like in a 1B. I'm not even gonna hold you, but this color is giving. I mean, if you know me, you know I love a good mushroom style haircut. So yeah, baby, this just reminds me of what my natural hair is supposed to look like if I didn't chop it off. If I didn't chop it off so many daggone times. But where would I wear Miss Ciana to? She is definitely an everyday wig. You can dress her up, you can dress her down, but she is an everyday wig. I mean, she is really super duper cute. Like, you cannot go wrong with this wig. Like, I love this wig. Like, let me know in the comments below what you guys think of her. Because honestly, I can't get enough of her. I'm actually on Shein right now trying to find me some sundresses to match with this hair. Okay? Okay. Alright, folks, thank you for watching this video all the way to the end. I appreciate you guys. I'm not gonna lie. This color, this cut, she is looking like a sophisticated, what was her name? Bobby Brown, Bobby Boss, my everyday Bobby Boss wig. This is what she's giving me, but a more sophisticated look. Y'all let me know in the comments below, because I'm going to post a picture somewhere around here, so y'all let me know. But she is giving, it's the color for me. Oh my gosh. She look good. She looked the F good. She looks so good that I bought her twice. Totally by accident. I ain't even gonna lie to you. But I am giving this one away for free. I got her in the color DRST Honey Brown. And since I just hit a bunch of my milestones on YouTube, she got to go to someone. So all you have to do is be subscribed to my channel, drop a little heart in the comment section, and she can be yours. Let me show you a little sneak peek of what she's giving, baby. And this one is my color. Ooh, yeah, I know this one is my color, right? I wish I could show y'all. Hold on. This is what my everyday wig looks like. Don't judge me, y'all. I love her. This is what my Bobby Boss everyday wig looks like. Same color. Yes, yes. So I'm giving this one for free unless you want this one. All you have to do though is drop a heart down below and I'll send it straight to you. All right, guys. Listen, if you like what you see in this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Right over there. Yeah. And hit that notification bell so every time I upload a cutie patootie like this one, she's cute, you will go ahead and get notified. All right, folks. See you on my next video. Bye. Oh, look, she looks so good, Jesus.